Greetings, how to buy Ethereum Classic coin. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencies.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Ethereum Classic coin. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Ethereum Classic and other cryptocurrencies. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps on the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback links and codes. This is cryptocurrencies.net. You can get all information about cryptocurrencies on this website. So easy. How to buy cryptocurrency, Ethereum Classic and others. So easy. Videos and articles. Now, firstly we should go Ethereum Classic page and click. On this page we can get all information about Ethereum Classic. So easy. Videos, Binance codes. Now, how to get Ethereum Classic? Just one click. Let's go.